The second mob hit on a defendant in the Pizza Connection trial is raising fears of a gang war. Today, a judge sequestered the jury and ordered protective custody for the remaining 4 co-defendants following last night's killing. Charles Feldman reports from New York.
There was fear in room 506 of U.S. District Court in Manhattan. Fear that was the result of Wednesday's apparent mob hit of a defendant in the 16-month-long Pizza Connection drug trial. The victim, Pietro Alfano, was gunned down and critically wounded on a busy Manhattan street as his wife looked on. An apparently innocent bystander was also shot and is in fair condition. Just last December, another defendant in this case was found murdered, his body stuffed inside a garbage bag. Attorneys involved in the case were closed-mouthed.
I'm sorry, we're under a gag order from the court, and we really can't answer any of the press questions.
But Wednesday's shooting was clearly felt inside the court, where security was beefed up. 4 defendants voluntarily placed themselves in protective custody, but their wives and family members could be heard expressing concern in the corridors of the courthouse. The defendant shot Wednesday is a relative of the trial's principal defendant, Pietro Alfano. The 4 who placed themselves in protective custody are also related to Alfano, who the government has described as a former Sicilian mafia leader. The defendants are accused of participating in a scheme run allegedly by Alfano to distribute more than $1.5 billion worth of heroin in the United States using pizza parlors throughout the country as fronts. The Pizza Connection trial is a landmark case. Lawyers say it marks the longest time a federal jury has ever sat in a criminal trial. The judge indicates that he may charge the jury within a week or so, but deliberations could take a long time. There has been much testimony, and the material the jury must go over is voluminous. Charles Feldman, CNN, at U.S. District Court in Manhattan.